Starting the day with homemade pancakes can be a simple pleasure, but it often comes with its share of mess. If you've ever struggled with batter spilling everywhere or ended up with uneven pancakes, you know how frustrating it can be. A batter dispenser can help make this task easier and cleaner. In this video, I have listed 5 of the best batter dispensers for 2024 to help you achieve perfectly shaped pancakes every time. You can find links to the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Number 5. UXOSO Batter Dispenser. This batter dispenser is the best option for those looking for a highly versatile kitchen tool. This dispenser comes packed with a 20-ounce capacity and multiple accessories, including a hand mixer, 4 different caliber silicone funnels, an oil brush, and a stand for added convenience. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, making it a long-lasting option in your kitchen. What sets it apart is the detachable handle that saves space in storage, making it practical for small kitchens. Not only does it perform well for traditional pancakes and cupcakes, but it's also designed for other unique treats such as crepes, takoyaki balls, muffins, and even chocolate balls. The push lever handle makes dispensing easy and controlled, eliminating messes. Additionally, the multiple funnel sizes make this a multi-purpose tool not only for batter, but also for crafts such as candle making. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional tool that offers more than just batter dispensing, this batter dispenser is your go-to option. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Batter Dispenser. This batter dispenser stands out as the best for precision. Known for its excellent control, this batter dispenser comes with a user-friendly design that lets you dispense batter accurately and mess-free. Its easy-to-squeeze handle, paired with a drip-free shutoff valve, gives you total control, making it ideal for pancakes, cupcakes, and crepes. One of its standout features is the wide mouth opening, which makes refilling the dispenser quick and effortless. This ensures that you spend more time cooking and less time cleaning up messes. The body of the dispenser is BPA-free and comes with convenient measurement markings up to 4 cups, allowing you to measure and dispense the exact amount of batter. The removable valve also simplifies cleaning, and the lid doubles as a drip tray between uses. If you're someone who values accuracy and convenience, this batter dispenser is an excellent choice. Number 3. Boyechbor Batter Dispenser. This batter dispenser takes the top spot for durability thanks to its food-grade stainless steel construction. Designed for long-term heavy-duty use, this batter dispenser is rust-resistant and sturdy, making it ideal for both home and commercial kitchens. With a generous 40 fluid-ounce capacity, it can handle large batches of batter for pancakes, waffles, muffins, and even desserts like poffertjes and kanafe. This dispenser is incredibly easy to use with its minimalist design. The lever handle allows for precise control when dispensing, minimizing spills and waste. It also comes with a stand, which not only adds stability but also reduces hand fatigue during use. The fact that it's dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze, and the heat resistance means you can use it for hot syrups or melted chocolate without any issues. If you're looking for a reliable and sturdy option that can stand the test of time, this batter dispenser is the one to choose. Number 2. Norpro 1013 Batter Dispenser. If simplicity is what you're after, then this batter dispenser is your best bet. This dispenser combines 2 essential functions, mixing and dispensing batter, reducing the need for multiple kitchen tools. Its straightforward design allows you to dispense batter for pancakes, crepes, waffles, and cupcakes with ease, thanks to a soft grip handle that controls the flow of batter with precision. The measurement markings on the side are a handy feature, allowing you to measure your batter directly in ounces, cups, or milliliters. This makes it easier to portion out the exact amount you need without the guesswork. While it may lack the high-end materials of some competitors, its plastic body is still durable and easy to clean. With a 1-liter capacity, it's suitable for medium-sized batches and reduces the mess typically associated with pancake making. This is perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, no-frills batter dispenser. Number 1. KP Kitchen Batter Dispenser. This batter dispenser earns the title of Best Overall for its blend of functionality, durability, and user-friendly features. Made from high-quality BPA-free plastic, this 4-cup capacity dispenser is perfect for both small and large batches of pancakes, muffins, or waffles. The standout feature is the redesigned no-break pulley handle, which ensures the product's longevity by preventing the common issue of breaking handles found in other dispensers. The wide mouth makes filling the dispenser easy, while the quick close valve prevents leaks and messes, making it child-friendly as well. This dispenser also excels in portion control, allowing you to make evenly sized pancakes or cupcakes with ease. Its versatility extends beyond batter to include other mixes like brownie or pizza sauce. To top it all off, this one offers a 3-year guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this dispenser's ease of use, durability, and customer service make it the best overall choice. Ready to elevate your baking game? These top batter dispensers of 2024 are sure to make your kitchen life easier, cleaner, and more fun. Whether you're whipping up pancakes, cupcakes, or waffles, these tools ensure perfect portions every time, without the mess. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video helped you find the perfect batter dispenser, give us a thumbs up, share it with your baking buddies, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned for more of our top picks, reviews, and kitchen tips.